Hello and welcome to Cater Quick. We're in a parts room today. I'll give you a quick tour around. So we've got gas hoses over here and all our Cater Cook spare parts. Here we've got water boil spare parts and Electrolux spare parts for our dishwashers. These two boxes here are our install toolboxes. So these go out on installs with us. So the engineers, when they get to site, they've got any spare parts that they might need all in here, so they can get it done first time and they're not going to take too long. There we've got glass washer parts and washing machine parts. And then just on the end there we've got mixer spare parts. This is all our water plumbing spare parts as well. More toolboxes here getting replenished, ready to go out. If you follow me through here, this is our distribution centre. So we send 350 boxes out of here every day. Out there's our rationale van that's getting loaded, ready to go out. And if you follow me through here, we're going into our workshop. So Pete's busy away on a pass-through dishwasher getting that ready to go. But our deal of today that Pete's kindly fixed for us is this rationale combination oven. So it's a 6th grade, it's just undergoing its final testing. So everything's looking good in there, ready to go. So that's for sale for £2,500. It's coming with the free stand, and we're giving it 1 year warranty, so that's covered by ourselves. We are rationale service agents, so all trained, and as I've just showed you, we've got all the toolboxes ready to go out. There's only one of these, so it's first come, first served. So if you call 01229 48 0001 and you speak to our sales team, they all know about it, they're ready to go. £2,500. Thank you.